Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick video of a new launcher that I got on. It's the T4E HDX 68 cal pump action shotgun. Alright, now before I do begin, I do want to say I'm not sponsored by any company. I'm not being sent these launchers for review. I actually work a full-time job to support my family, and I save up to buy these out of pocket. So my take on this is going to be genuine. If I don't like something, I don't. If I do, I do. All right. Now, that being said, let's open this and see what we got here. All right, here we have your instruction manual. You have your little squeegee to clean the barrel, and wow, it looks nice. Honestly, this does resemble a live fire shotgun. Feels like it weighs about 6-7 pounds. Very heavy, very well built. Very well built. Metal alloy. This plastic. Intimidation factor alone, if you're in a self-defense situation at home and you have a hostile in your residence, just that alone sounds just like a live fire shotgun, as I said. The detail on this thing is impeccable. You have your Picatinny rails. You have a Picatinny rail down here where you could put a light, laser, any kind of accessories that you do want. This is where you load it. And right here, in the grip, you have a little tool. You put the tool in here, and you basically load your whatever projectile you're using, either kinetic rounds, pepper balls, whatever. That's how you're going to load it. That's the only, pretty much to me, it's a downside because it's just an extra step. You may be able to get 1 or 2 rounds in there without it. It does have a 16 round capacity, which I would have to say is awesome. 16 rounds out of the box. These come in 7 joules, 11 joules, and 16 joules. And you could also get them modified, or modify them yourself if you know what you're doing. This particular one here is 11 joules. Later on, it will be modified, obviously, because I feel that you should have at least 20 joules or more, especially in a 16 round pump action, you know, for home defense. The butt of the gun has a little lever. You push and holds 2 12-gram CO2s. Now, there is an adapter you can get for it, and if I'm not mistaken, the modified versions have an 88-gram CO2. This is how you load it. It has a little tool that you put at the end. See if I can get in there. It's giving me a hard time. You twist. Alright. Now this is a quick piercing cap, and I'll show you how it operates in a minute. Now the way you load your 12-gram CO2s, your first one is going to be facing forward. The second is going to be pretty much butt on butt. This one here is going to be facing towards your rear. Screw that back on. Tighten it up. And then you load your butt stock back on. Now, when you're ready to fire, you notice how this popped out with the gram CO2s. You hit it, and you're ready to engage. Now, this could remain in here indefinitely as long as it's not pierced. So, once again, for home defense, you could just leave it by your bed or wherever you're going to have it. If you have kids, obviously, you're not going to leave them with kids because you want to treat it like a live firearm. You just hit, pressurizes, pump it just like a live fire shotgun, and you're ready to go. And as I said, first quick take on this, it's beautiful. And I love the weight, the feel of it. Just the intimidation factor. And we'll be firing this out there in a later video, so just bear with me. I do want to say thank you guys for watching. If you want to help the channel out, like it, subscribe. I will be releasing more videos, and my videos will be getting better as we progress. So thank you guys for watching.